Alright, ladies and gentlemen, Fab's in the house, and welcome back to my channel. Today we've got the Brown Knives Cortex here with me for a quick maintenance video, but hey, don't forget to like this video and don't forget to subscribe to this channel if you're enjoying this kind of content right over here. Let's get started, guys. T8, it's gonna be needed for the handle, and maybe that's T8 as well for the pivot, so let's get started. I'm thinking I think we need to take these scales down. So let's just start like here, very gently with your screwdriver. Just take this guy apart. This screw, oh, interesting. Okay, and that is one. Let's see this guy here. It pops out. What happens? Very, very short screw, so let's just keep it here. And let's see if this carbon fiber scale pops out, and it does. Very cool, actually. So that is one. We have got another screw probably down there, and down here as well. So we're just gonna undo the pivot over here. This is a captive pivot, so shouldn't be spinning. It moves a little bit actually, but anyways, it's all good. I see there's a little bit of oh, I thought it was like a washer or something, but it's not. So here we can just pop these scales apart, and pretty straightforward so far. We can admire the inside of this cortex, which is an area of the brain, of course, and this is Brown Knives made in Blaine, Washington, USA. You can see the anodization going on, really cool. Then we're gonna just need this kind of trusty microfiber cloth, a little bit of rubbing alcohol right over here, and then we're gonna clean the hardware. Let me see this guy. Maybe we can pop these bearings out like so, and just get to proceed to clean the bearings, which appear to be ceramic ball bearings caged in a plastic cage. Unspinning, not spinning pivot. Let's just clean the inside of these scales. Really cool engraving here. Let's just clean also the outside of this pretty cool bronze anodized bolster. Look at that. That's nice and shiny. So that is it for now. We can also clean the tang of the blade all around. Very interesting. Pressed fit stopping. You've got that area. Which is masked out. We are going to do this guy in, oops, with like, let's say 1, 2, and 3 drops of 10 weight nano oil with the cap that is rolling around, and then this guy goes back in. No need to worry about the stopping because it is in there. And then we've got the other bearing that is in place with 1, 2, and 3, and just rub it around. So that is done. Here there's no need to do anything except for just like cleaning the inside of this area over here, a little bit dirty, and let's just clean the inside of the scale. I don't know if you hear the noise going on the outside. If you do, I apologize. I don't know what they are doing. Probably they're working, so it's all good. This guy goes in place like that. Correct. Yeah, everything checks out. Everything is in place. You know what? This doesn't really look all right to me. This is just like some sort of Teflon. I don't know why the Teflon was there. Let's just add some of the blue Loctite here. I'm just gonna probably leave for that screw, but I think just a little bit of blue Loctite, it's gonna do the trick. So this pivot screw is in place. We're gonna tune it in a second. Let's just disengage that. Here we've got this. I'm just not using the blue Loctite here because of the Teflon. I'm assuming there's a reason why. This is like really close, like short. So I'm just gonna dip it just a tiny bit so we don't risk to lose anything. And it's in, don't over tighten when it's like that small, you know, you don't want to do anything. And I can tell you guys, like this is the action on this one is just something ridiculously good, like really, and I'm saying really smooth, like almost like there's no zero blade is centered. Guys, this is a fantastic tune-up for this pretty gorgeous knife. So there you have it. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to subscribe, and if you like the video, just like the video. Thanks for watching and stay tuned.